Hello friends. Welcome to another video. Today, in this video, I am gonna show you how you can solve the critical security message problem which is found in the Google account. So, without further delay, let's get into the topic. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing it and pressing the bell icon for more updates regarding this sort of topics in future. Please follow the step as shown in the video carefully to minimize any mistake. So, first of all, you need to go to the Google Chrome. Then, you need to select the account which you are having the problem with. In my case, this account has the problem. Go here in your profile picture and click to manage your accounts. After clicking it, you will get interface like this, in which you can see that there is a message popped up saying, critical security issue found, but fear not, as I am here to show you how you can solve it. So, first go to new tab in Chrome and in the type Google account help and press enter. Then, go for the first option in the page shown and search. After that, scroll down and search for an account security option. I've indicated this here. Go there. Then, you will get a drop-down list. Again in that, search for suspicious activity. And click it. After going inside, you'll get an interface like this which consists of many options. Choose the option as I have indicated in the video. That is, choose the option stating to investigate suspicious activities and click it. Then scroll down until you see the message telling was this helpful. And that chose the option no. Then, you get a dialog box like this. I have given the text in the description below. You can use it by copying and pasting it in your case. Then submit the file. You will get a message saying thank you for your feedback. However, the process is not completed yet. Again, go to Google account help. Scroll down and in the right hand corner at end of the page, you will get an option like this, click it. Inside it you will get the other two options. Go for General Help Center Experience. Click it. Again, a dialog box appears in which we need to send some text feedback. Again, paste the same text in it and then send it. After this, you need to wait for at least 24 to 48 hours to get response from Google. After that time interval, your problem will get solved. In this way, you can solve this critical security problem in the Google account. If you find this video helpful in any ways, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates in future. Your support give me energy to create more beautiful contents for you guys. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.